Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to put Verizon router in bridge mode. Start by connecting your computer directly to your Verizon router using an Ethernet cable. This helps make sure the connection is stable during setup. Once connected, open any web browser like Chrome or Edge and go to the admin panel of Verizon. Now you will need to log in. The default username is usually admin. After logging in, look for a section called Advanced Settings or Network Settings. Inside this section, find something called IP Address Distribution or DHCP settings. Set this option to disabled. This step stops the router from assigning IP addresses, which is required for bridge mode. Next, go to the WAN or bridge settings section. Here you will see options related to your internet connection type, such as Ethernet or coax. Select the active broadband connection. Then look for wireless settings and disable the Wi-Fi radios or access points. This ensures the router only passes the internet connection through without acting as a router. Once all changes are made, click Apply or Save. The router will then reboot. Wait a few minutes for it to fully restart. After rebooting, your Verizon router will now be in bridge mode and ready to work with another router. Thanks for watching.